This video is sponsored by Pink Box Delivery.
Hey guys, it's Tiff from Bright on a Budget, and today I wanted to share a new monthly subscription box with you that I just found out about. It's called Pink Box Delivery, which you can find on pinkboxdelivery.com. Of course, it comes in a cute little pink box. This is actually the May box. It is valued at $75 to $90 every month. This month's box, which is the May box, is actually valued at $88. The box is only $35, and you can actually save $5 this month with code SAVE5 on the website. Of course, it comes in a cute little pink box. This is actually the May box, which you can still get by going to the website, and I actually got it a little early as a sneak peek preview, and I wanted to share with you guys what's inside. Look how cute. There's so much fun stuff in here, and so let's hop in. First up, there is an All the Spoils piñata. Inside the piñata, there was a coconut and rose face scrub, dreamy marshmallow lip gloss. Marshmallow is my favorite. Coconut and rose lip balm, a little nail file, dreamy marshmallow hand cream, a face mask in that same coconut and rose, dreamy marshmallow body scrub, and a hair tie. I'm pretty excited about this because these coil hair ties, which I totally think looks like a 90s phone cord, and we don't use phone cords anymore, so repurposing. But anyways, these hair ties are supposed to be really good to pull your hair back with. There's actually two in there. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. There is a Patty Wax Blue Coral and Driftwood candle. Smells dreamy. I love anything that is sort of ocean scented. There's an Relax and Relief Ocean Breeze Sachet. This also smells really good, and I will probably stick this in my underwear drawer, but you can also stick it in your car. You can stick it in your closet. If there was ever a notepad that was me, this is it. Excuse me while I build an empire. And there's a Pinkies Up diamond pin that comes with it. Dry shampoo. I, for one, can never have enough dry shampoo. Like, honestly, I could probably use a little right now. Oh, guys, there was also another little nail file in the piñata. It all just dropped down in the box. Here's the nail file that comes with the box. It says, "Be a mermaid and make waves." Adorable earrings. Tassels are so cute, and I love these colors. These are fun for spring and summer. I also like having long hair. I like anything that really pops, and these stand out against my hair. I might end up with tassel from the piñata in there. Ooh, there's a matching bracelet to match the earrings. I like this because sometimes bracelets are really hard to get on, and I like when they have the toggle clasp. There is an iPad case that says, "I can't even." There's also an iPad case that says, "I can't even," and this is super cute. If you don't have an iPad, totally use it for a clutch, or it would be really good to put in your work bag and keep like your laptop cord and your phone chargers and everything like that together in there. Oh, guys, I'm still finding stuff from the piñata. There was a little bath ball too. And every box there's one like high value item, and this month's is a round beach towel. I've been seeing these everywhere. This is a 62-inch. And it has the cute little fringe. This is so Instagrammable and perfect for summer heading to the beach.
I can't wait to see what's in next month's box. Thanks to Pink Box Delivery for sponsoring this post.